also have done this, and Saima had sent me first right answer, and she only asked me to use decimal numbers, means she got that how to solve. And next they had given the hint also that you can use decimal numbers, means which has this decimal points. So Sayyid Fatima give me first name. That student will just help me in adding these numbers.
Saima Asmani.
Okay. So Saima, you can just explain how you will get what total you will get. So first we will do vertically, then
Okay.
horizontally. So the first we are doing for vertically. So 3.5 plus 9.5. What you will get?
3 means 3 plus 9 we have to do. 5 plus 5 we have to do. So 1 carry and 0.
Yes. Okay. So this way you can do addition. 5 plus 5, 10, 0 down, and then 1 carry, right? Then 1
Yes.
plus 3 plus 9, so you will get 13. Means 13.0 or
Hmm.
13, both are same. Means this way. 13.0. If you have seen, means whenever you read, no, what is written on the packet, whenever you buy anything. So
Yes.
behind whatever price is given, no, there also it is written like this only. Rupees, suppose 5.0. So 5.0 means how many rupees is this?
5.
5 only. So the same way, when you will add both of these numbers, you will get 13.0. And 13.0 means 13 only. So is
Yes.
this clear, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Huh. So same way you have to do addition of these two also. So you will get 8.0, which is equals to 8 only. And when you will subtract, so you will get 6.0, which is equals to 6 only. Same way here vertically. So this was that puzzle which we have solved. Now next is this puzzle, means today's this I will explain at last. Means in last 10 minutes or 5 minutes I will explain this. This one is even easier. So let's start now. I guess E I have told to you to try.
No,
Till
ma'am.
D you have done.
You have told we will cancel E.
मैम मैंने कल कर दिया था, मैंने आपको बोला था ना.
हाँ.
Excuse me, ma'am.
I told you about this E, not exercise 1E, not. I'm not asking about 1E. I'm saying in exercise 1D, question 2E, this 1E.
Zainab, ma'am.
Because, yes,
I am telling that please tell to whoever is admin that join in Mohadis Akeshwani ID because someone has किसी ने मुझे लेफ्ट भी कर दिया और अभी ज्वाइन भी नहीं कर रहा है, इसलिए मैं डैडी के मोबाइल में से ज्वाइन हुई कहने के लिए.
I think so. Whoever sent the link, no, every day, that is only host means that only
Teacher
that
had
person
sent.
only handles the PC. So whoever has sent the link to that person, you can just send the message or inform that person.
Okay.
So who has sent?
Okay, no
Sir.
problem. मेरे में से हो गया.
Okay.
I had joined.
So we were doing this one yesterday. We have completed round to the nearest 10. Then even in 100, I have explained. Then also I'm just revising, so carefully listen. Whenever we solve this one, round to the nearest 10, at that time, whatever is question, you have to see in the before number, which number has 10 and which is nearest. So that before number you have to write here. Now this is our question. Then you have to see from after number which number has 10 and which is nearest. First number which has 10. Then you have to see that our question is nearest to which number. From after number what we have selected or from before number what we have selected. That way. Then here in down to the nearest 100, you have to see that from before number means this is our question 649. So you have to think about before number like 648, 47, 646, 645 that way. You have to think before number that which number has 20 means multiple of 100. Okay, so from before number 600 and this is the question, so from after number 700. Then you have to see that which number is nearest to the question is nearest to which number, this number or this, that way. Okay, you understood no this question? Yes or no? Both the
Yes,
question.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So how many students have tried this last one?
Fatima Bahati. Sheikh Anisa.
Okay. Okay, means that many girls have tried, so very good. So Sayyid Kum Fatima, give me name, first name.
Advani Mohaddesa.
Okay. So Madhwani Mohandesa,
Yes, ma'am.
huh. You understood, no? What is the heading? The heading is round to the nearest 100. Means you have to see two zeros. It can be three zeros also. So you tell me before number of this. 58,000, then 9. So before that, which number is there? 58,008, right? 58,008. Then before that,
58,007.
then before that,
58,006.
huh. Then before number of 58,006,
58,005.
Before that,
58,004.
yes. Before that,
58,003.
huh.
58,002.
Huh.
58,001.
Then,
58,000.
58,000 you will get. This is the nearest number, and it can be also a multiple of 100. Multiple of 100 means when you multiply 580 with 100, so you will get this answer only. So this is also multiple of 100 this way. So we will write 58,000 on left end. Okay, then we will discuss about right end also. So 58,000. Now next name after Mohdesa. Fatim. Fatim, are you giving me name?
Baloj Miza.
Huh. Misa, you have to tell me that this is our question. You have to think about after numbers. In after number, which number has two zeros and which is nearest?
Okay, ma'am. Only two zeros now.
Huh.
Okay. 5900.
After number of this is 58,009. So you tell me after numbers of that. 58,010. Then 58,011.
मैम मैंने लिखे है 58,011.
So you will get, yes. Who was calling me?
मैम कुरैशी फातिमा मैंने ये लिखेला है आपने जो लिखा है कॉल.
But is this the time to tell me? I was explaining to Misa. This is not right time to inform me or to talk with me when I'm explaining to
Sorry
other girls.
मैम.
So Misa, I was explaining you have to think about after number. 58,009, then 58,010, then 58,020 also you will get, then 58,030 also you will get, then 58,040, then 58,050 also you will get, Then 58,090 also you will get. But after that, which number you will get? I told you till 58,090. ये 58,090 तक दो जीरो नहीं आते लास्ट में, right? From here till here I told you. From 58,009, then 58,010, then 11, then 13, then 14, that till 90. 58,090 तक यहाँ पे दो जीरो नहीं है किसी में भी. तो now you think about after number. इसके बाद क्या आता है? 58,000 what? 91. Then 92. Then Miza.
Um,
Miza, tell me after number of this 58,091.
ma'am, I tell him Sabora.
Yes, Inchie.
5100.
5100.
58,100.
Okay, good. So this is right answer. When you will think after number like this, or maybe you can make list. So you will get 58,100. Even I told you that when you get this number, no, then just add 100. So Misa, what you will get? 58,000 plus 100 here. This is 58,000 plus 100. What you will get?
Ma'am, 1 minute.
You got
11? Yes, ma'am.
58,000 and plus 100.
58, 0 plus 0, 0.
Hmm. You tell
Then
me.
also,
Tell me final answer.
मैम मैंने तो सबको प्लस किया है 58,100 ऐसे.
हाँ.
मैम 5 plus 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 1, 1, 8 plus 8, 16, 5 plus 5, 10 plus 1, 11. So
Yes, but
answer is,
here 8 is not there and 5 is also not there. I told you कि इसके और इसके बीच में कितना फर्क है, ये दोनों के बीच में 100 का, right? How much is
yes,
the
ma'am.
gap is of 100, no? Same way,
Yes.
the number here and here, you can see the gap of 100. So whenever you are not able to find this number, so you just add 100 in that one. So you will get the answer. Okay?
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Next name Sayyed Kum Fatima.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
That
Whose name you said? Whose name you said? Kum? Shahista Qureshi means Qureshi Fatima. You can tell me if that our question is nearest to which number? इससे करीब है कि इससे करीब है हमारा क्वेश्चन? क्वेश्चन जो है वो किससे करीब है? दिस इज द क्वेश्चन. इससे करीब है? Which one?
5,000.
This is not 5,000. This is 58,000.
58,100.
Any other answers, any girl? Who knows what is the right answer? That this number is close to this one or this one?
मैम can I say पटना से दबानू? मैम
I'm just counting that how many girls know the answer.
मैम can I say?
A name and speak loudly. Whoever is speaking.
मैम can I say? Kabrani Zainab.
Okay, two students no. Means Pathan Jena and Gabrani
Can
Zinab.
I say? No, ma'am,
Can I say
India
Fatima
Bora.
Bahajat?
Ma'am,
Okay,
can I
Inchi
say?
also. Three students.
Can I say Fatima Bahajat? Ma'am, can I say Saima?
Okay,
Fatima.
one student knows the answer. हाँ
Can I
Saima.
Ma'am,
say?
can I say Sheikh Anisha? Ma'am, can I say Atiya?
Saima is
Ma'am,
saying.
can I say the answer?
Saima is saying. Yes, Saima.
58,000.
Huh. When you will see that here the gap is only of 9 numbers. But 58,000 and 58,009. There is only gap of 9. So means this one is close. It's very easy, but I don't know where you are confused. 58,000. Okay. Now next number, next question, not number. So next name Syed Kum Fatima for reading the heading.
Bhimani Sakina.
Okay. So Bhimani Sakina, you can read the heading.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Read the heading.
Round the nearest hundred. Thousand.
1,000. So
Round the
right.
nearest thousand.
Okay, very good. Now you can mute your mic. The question is round to the nearest 1,000. So I've already explained about nearest 10, 100,000, but then also I guess I must revise because I guess there are so many girls who didn't understand.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
I can coming into.
And name. Who was telling me? Means who
Ma'am,
asked?
Ataya Ganyani was there.
Okay. So now I have already explained you these sentences, and these sentences are very important. So now next name Kum Fatima for reading.
Gabrani Zainab Fatima.
Okay.
Yes,
Gabran.
ma'am.
Zainab, you can read this sentence.
When we round a number to the next nearest thousand, we use the nearest multiple of thousand.
Very good. Very good, Zainab. Now you can mute your mic. So like yesterday, I'm explaining also this 3 times. So first time I'm just reading this and explaining when we round a number to the nearest 1,000. And what is the question 3 also in our that exercise? What is question 3 which just now I have shown you? Round to the nearest, round to the nearest
Thousand.
1,000. Yes, only one student said. And what was question 2 which we
Round
have
to the
finished?
hundred. Round to the nearest hundred.
And what was question 1?
Round to the nearest ten.
Yes. So question 1 was round to the nearest 10, then nearest 100, question 2. And now question 3, round to the nearest 1,000. These are the 3 questions. We have already finished question 1 and 2. Now we have to solve question 3. That's why I'm explaining this. So here we will not use multiple of 10 or 100, but we will use multiple of 1,000. So this is very important that what we will use. We will use nearest multiple of 1,000. Now next name Sayyid Kum Fatima.
Nida Rajani.
Rajani Nida, you can also read the same sentence.
Yes, ma'am. When around the number to the nearest 1,000, we use the nearest multiply of 1,000.
And this is multiple, okay? Very good. So I'm reading when we round a number to the nearest 1000, and this is only our question number 3. Our question number 3 is what? Again repeat. Question number 3. Ready? What is the heading of question number 3 which we have to solve? Round to the nearest?
1000.
Yes, round to the nearest 1000. That is our question number 3. So here what we will use nearest multiple of
1000.
we will use nearest multiple of 1000 only. So you can write with me, and if you have already written means the question, then well and good, because I have already sent you PDF of the question. So now first we'll write the first question 2364. Then we will see from before number and after number which number is closest multiple of 1000, means which must have 30. So who knows the answer, just say your name कि इसके before number में से कौन सा number है जिसमें 30 आते हैं?
Ma'am, Keshwani Fatima Zahra.
Ma'am, I know.
Okay, Keshwani Fatima Zahra.
Okay. In the nearest 1000 में ये जो 3 नंबर है ना 364,
हाँ
वो उसमें 0 लगाने के वैसा आप बोल रहे हैं क्या उसका बिफोर नंबर?
हाँ that only 0.
Okay, so वो दोनों तीनों काटने means we have to not count 3, 6 and 4. We have to put in their place 0, 0, 0 means 2000.
Okay, now next two will say that is from after number. Which number is multiple of 1000, which means must have 30 from after number. Huh? And even I said that if you find the first number, no, then you just see the gap of 1000. Okay, इसके 1000 gap में कौन सा number है? If we get first number, then it is very easy to find the next one.
Ma'am, can I say Ganyani aati hai?
Yes, गनियानी आती है.
3000.
Very good. As I said, that when you find the first number, you just have to add 1000. You have to see that in the gap of 1000, which number has 30. So 3000. Then we have to see our question, that it nears to this one or this one. So that who knows?
Ma'am, I say Sabora. Ma'am, I say Kanisha.
Sheikh Anisha.
Ma'am, can I say
Anisha,
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, 2000.
yes, it nears to 2000 because this is only 300. Not even more than 500. More than 500 ho? Yeah, 500. Then it's near to 3000. So let's write 2000. Now
Answer is 2000.
now you can copy this and try the next one. Same way, you have to see, you have to write numbers on both the end, left end also, right end also. But here what you will write? Which has 30 from before number and here from after number.
Ma'am, I cannot explain number A.
I cannot explain. Or you didn't understand.
Sorry, I didn't understand.
So I'm explaining. This is our question 2364. When the question is about nearest 1000, so you don't have to see the other places. This is which place? Hundreds place, this is tens, this is ones. That you remember, no? Ones place, tens, hundred, thousand. So this place you don't have to see. Directly see this place. Thousands place. Why we have to see this place? Because what is the heading?
Nearest 1000.
So which place you will see?
1000.
Thousands place you have to see. So here at thousands place 2 is written. It means from before number 2000 is the nearest number which is multiple of 1000. Okay,
Okay.
it's fine, written
Yes.
2000. Then after 2000, 1000 के गैप में कौन सा नंबर होता है? आफ्टर 2000, like 3000, 4000, 5000, 6000, 7000, 8000, 9000. But which is nearest after 2000?
Yes, ma'am. Okay. Thank you.
हाँ, so 3000 is the number which is nearest. 2000 के बाद 3000 is the nearest number which is in the gap of 1000. Then you have to see that our question is near to which one.
Okay.
You can do both the method, whether you can see all the before number or whether you can just see the which is at thousands place. Which digit at thousands place. So 2 is there at thousands place, so obviously 2000. So any method you can do. And after copying this, please inform me.
Ma'am, I am coming in 2 minutes.
What?
Ma'am, I have done. I am coming in 2 minutes.
हाँ, okay, and who?
I have done Qureshi Fatima. Saima.
हाँ, okay, Saima.
And my work is done. Zareen sir. And my work is done, Qureshi Fatima.
One, just see that which digit is at thousands place because here the heading is nearest 1000.
9.
So 9 is at thousands place, no? Means that many thousand will be the first number which you will write.
Ma'am, my work is finished.
Very good.
Ma'am, my work is finished.
Okay.
Ma'am, my work is finished.
So you can try the next one and how
Ma'am, in a rough book or fair book?
फेयर बुक, ऑब्वियसली फेयर बुक, क्योंकि मुश्किल से फेयर बुक में तो तुम लोग लिखते हो, रफ बुक में लिखने का बोलूंगी तो फेयर बुक मेंटेन नहीं करोगे. So I never say
Okay, ma'am.
in write in the rough book, directly in the fair book. And how many students are trying the next one?
Ma'am, in Bohra.
Okay.
Biri Sakin Lemran Abbas.
Okay. And
Ma'am,
any other
Qureshi
student?
Fatima Nasta.
Okay.
Ma'am, I will write in rough book. Nayani Sakina.
Okay. So let's start now. Next name, Sayyed Kum Fatima. Are you giving me name Kum Fatima or shall I only ask them? Okay, who wants to give the answer? Just say your name and just say one time. Huh? Don't say two times.
Subhani Sakina Imran Abbas.
Fatima Bahajaj.
Ma'am, Malad Aisha. Ma'am, Malad Aisha.
Okay, Malad Aisha, you can tell me. In question B, this is 9846, and here the heading is nearest 1000. So we have to see only thousands place. And even you can think about before number also, that from before number which is the closest number which has 30.
9.
And then how many zeros shall we write?
30.
Good. Now next, I guess Bhima and Sakina's turn has not come. So Bhima and Sakina, you tell me here what number, which number shall I write?
10,000.
Very good.
Comma. Then मैम वन
Yes.
के बाद जीरो है ना उधर कॉमा आता है
क्या क्या?
एक जीरो फर्स्ट जीरो के बाद कॉमा आता है
Here after 10 you can put one comma. And I forgot again who wants to give the answer.
मैम
I guess
shall I give मैम
Salma, you can say that our question is nearest to which number, 9,000 or 10,000?
10,000
So this number is close to 10,000 because you can see it's 800, means more than 500. I told you that if it's
yes
more than 500, then it's near to that other number which you have selected from after number.
मैम can I give one name
Huh?
पोचानी शबनम
But you give me the names those who want to give the answer because I don't think so they will give me even reply if they will ask me because every day these only things happen.
मैम I tell मोदेसा केशवानी
So Keshwani Fatima Zera,
yes मैम
you can say that this is our question 4096 and the heading is round to the nearest 1000. So we have to see that nearest multiple of 1000 of our question. So what should I write here?
9,000 में बी वाला भी ना 9,000 के बाद में नहीं सी वाला ना हाँ तो 4,000
At thousands place,
नाइन नाइन एंड सिक्स की जगह पे हमको 0 0 करने का है
so you just have to see thousands place.
4,000
Which digit is at thousands place? Because the heading is down to the nearest 1000. So right now you just have to concentrate on thousands place, whichever digit is there. Now next, Saima say the next one.
Himani Sakina Imran Abbas
Her turn has come just now. So after her,
Keshwani Fatima Mehdi Hassan
okay. Ishwani Fatima Mehendi Hassan, do you want to say that here what should we write? What this is the question 4096. 4000 we have already written it. And you have to tell me in 1000 gap which number we will write. 4000 के बाद एक 1000 के gap में कौन सा number होता है?
5,000
5,000. So these are multiple of 1000, like 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, 5,000. That all the numbers are multiple of 1,000. I've already explained you what is multiple of 10, multiple of 100, multiple of 1,000. Then also. Now next name time.
Fatima Bahajaj
So Bahajaj Fatima,
Yes, ma'am.
you can say that our question is near to which number?
5,000.
4,000 और 5,000 उसके बीच में बहुत सारे नंबर होते हैं लाइक 4,100, 4,200, 4,300. फिर एकदम बीच में कौन सा होता है 4,500, राइट? इन दोनों
Yes,
के
ma'am.
बीच. So question is के 4,096, even not 196, 4,000 और फिर 96. तो 4,000 से करीब है कि 5,000 से करीब है?
5,000 से करीब है.
ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट नेम साइमा.
Rajani Sakina.
Rajani Sakina, do you want to say the question is near to which number?
Yes.
Say.
Yes, ma'am.
Say it's near to which number?
4500.
उससे करीब है. I said this is only middle number. You have to select from these two. Those who know the answer, say the answer. What is the answer?
4,000.
Then I can say
Ma'am,
4,000.
4,000.
4,000.
Okay. So now D and E both are only left, but almost time is up 10:10, and I want to explain that puzzle also. That's why DE you can do in homework, means you can just try. It's not compulsory, but if you will try, it will be good. Now, Saima, just
Ma'am,
read.
हाँ पहले
Okay,
वाला
ma'am.
भी पसंद दिखा है ना वो पॉइंट
Fill
वाला
the
तो मैं
bride with
screenshot
the
ले लूँ।
numbers 1 to 4 in such that each number
Wait,
in only used once in each row, column and region marked 2 by 2 block.
हाँ. So fill the grid means this boxes that you have to fill with which number 1 to 4. 1 to 4 रखना है, मतलब जहाँ जहाँ वो मिसिंग हो. But that each number is only used once in each row. मतलब एक number जो है from 1 to 4, any one number you will write, but it should be used only one time in each row. Means this way, this way, this way, this way. That number should not be repeated. Like here you can see 1, 2, 3 means which is missing 4, right? So now in this line, in these three boxes, you can't write 4. You just have to adjust 1, 2, 3. Understood or not? How to solve this puzzle? You have to arrange 1 to 4. 1 to 4, but ऐसे कि एक लाइन में एक ही बार वो नंबर आना चाहिए, रिपीट नहीं होना चाहिए. This way also.
Ma'am,
This way also.
please explain.
Okay. Yes or no?
Please explain again.
हाँ, I'm explaining. See here what is written that you have to fill the boxes with 1 to 4 number. Means you can write 4 here, right? Because you can see in this line 1 to 4 now we have completed in this line. This line is completed now. So again, suppose this line you want to fill. So 4 and 3 are there. So which two numbers are not there from 1 to 4?
1, 2.
1 and 2.
1 and 2.
So 1 and 2. But suppose if you will write 1 here and 2 here. तो एक लाइन में टू कितनी बार हो गए? In one line two, how many times two are there? Two is already there. Can you see two is already there? तो हम two यहाँ और one यहाँ नहीं लिख सकते हैं. Why? Because in this line two are two times. Understood?
Yes,
एक लाइन
ma'am.
में नहीं होने चाहिए. Horizontally also and vertically also. So 2 and 1 you can write like this. 1 and 2. This way you can write. तो एक लाइन में सब हो गए 1 to 4. हो गए 1 to 4 और नॉट?
Yes, ma'am.
और दूसरी लाइन में भी 1 to 4 हो गए, राइट?
Yes, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am.
यस.
मैम हमें ये बॉक्स में प्लस और माइनस के साइन रखने हैं या नहीं?
माइनस नहीं, 1 to 4 को अरेंज करना है. 1 to 4.
ओके मैम.
2 4 1 to 4 1 to 4. इन द हेडिंग ऑल्सो 1 to 4 इज रिटन कि 1 to 4 को तुमको अरेंज करना है, बट ऐसे अरेंज करना है कि एक लाइन में वो नंबर दोबारा ना आए. ओके?
Okay, ma'am.
Can you see here 1 to 4 are there? Here also 1 to 4. पर फिर वो ऐसे भी रिपीट नहीं होने चाहिए. Now here this way vertically, which number you can write here?
Problem
Which number you can write here?
4. 4.
4. तो अभी दो लाइन में भी 1 to 4 हो गए.
Yes.
Done. वैसे सब लाइन चेक करनी है, वर्टिकली ऑल्सो एंड हॉरिजॉन्टली ऑल्सो. स्लीपिंग वे ऑल्सो एंड स्टैंडिंग वे ऑल्सो, कि 1 to 4 हो जाने चाहिए और रिपीट भी नहीं होने चाहिए। ओके,
Okay.
स्लीपिंग ऑल्सो
Okay,
एंड
ma'am.
स्टैंडिंग ऑल्सो।
Ma'am, 1 minute. I have to take screenshot. I will take the screenshot.
એસી બંધ કર ને તમારે હલે હું ત્રીજી વાર ની તકો
ચાલુ કરી નાખશે
Problem.
બીજું તો શું હવે
मैम आप स्क्रीन फिर से